maitay ang matchup na to. So again nga, communication is the key inside this court para magkaroon ng magandang offense at defense at the same time dito sa larong ito. Now, Triho on the deck to serve.
Now again, Triho will be serving on the side of the Greyhounds. And the service ace. With that, 1-point gap against the NCF Tigers. UNC. Now the UNC have the chance here to tie the game by 13 all. Triho. Pero very crucial error para sa UNC. Back to 2-point lead. Now NCF Tigers. Abitria Blessy. Now Luna sets it up to Balane. And to the blockers of the NCF. This is what they really needed. Good communication between the players. And they can convert a point here. 13 serving 14. Now Martires. Binawi naman agad yan ni Bravo after that powerful attack. We're halfway through our set number 1. Very intense one. Now Sari. Pero for reception on the side of the Greyhounds here. Now, hawak ng NCF Tigers ang tatlong halamangan dito sa ating set number 1. Sari again to serve. Now, just another error here. Four-point lead. Now, Sari.
You know, Teen UNC Greyhounds cannot afford to produce a lot of error kasi again, sila ang naghahabol dito. And yung momentum na binild, nila kani-kanina lang is parang nawawala na ngayon because of that errors and right on cue. Error mula sa kanilang libero.
Again, nahihirapan muli dito ang UNC Greyhounds. Sa ating set number 1. Big gap, a 5-point lead coming from the NCF, Sari. This time, naipasok na nila yan. Hiski to Antang. Good coverage by the NCF. Now, Brago. Converted the point now. And with that, napatawag na nga muli ng timeout ang ating UNC Greyhounds. Dahil sa sunod-sunod na puntos na nagagawa ng NCF Tigers, 6-point lead. Masyado nang malaki yung kalamangan ng NCF dito sa ating set number 1. What will be the adjustment dito sa UNC Greyhounds para makahabol dyan against the NCF Tigers?
Now, the Lady Tigers is back on their momentum right now. On the side of the UNC Greyhounds, nawala yung consistency nila to build their momentum. At nakita nga natin dito na lumobo ulit ang kalamangan dito ng NCF Tigers. Now, napatawag dito ang coach nila ng timeout to clear things out at para gumawa ng bagong game plan para at least mahabol dito ang score ng NCF Tigers. Abangan natin dito ang bounce back ng UNC Lady Greyhounds.
No, of course, Antang on the other side of the NCF Tigers. A rookie player, but still shows an exemplary performance here. Now, Sari. And another point para dito kay Antang. Now, Greyhounds needs to double their effort at this moment. 13 serving 20. After that timeout, the UNC still finds it hard. But big thanks to that error around Sari. They break the gap. Now double substitution here. Now double substitution on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Chavez will be joining. Now Manzanido will serve the ball on the side of the Greyhounds. And that will be the service ace. Bagong pasok na si Manzanido. Now, a good break para dito sa UNC Greyhounds. Now, no more errors for this team if they really wanted to go up with the score of the NCF. Now, Brago to attack. Free ball ngayon ibibigay dito. Now one more time for a top touch. With that, another point.
Doon sa kanyang approach na parang papaluin ito ng lakas. But on mid-air, nakakita siya ng butas on the side of the Greyhounds. That's why that drop ball is very much effective.
Kaya naman talagang kailangan ng good anticipation when it comes to playing here. Needs to calculate. Now Zamudio will be joining the NCF squad. Now, bibigyan bola to Chavez. Free ball. Sarvitad, fresh from the bench. But that, 3 points. Getting that set number 1. Zamudio again to serve. One more time for Servidad. 2 straight points coming from her. Kahit yung ating second sex sa side ng NCF Tigers, they really shows their skills. Napakagaling. Now, Zamudio. Now, strong attack coming from Vanessa Sari. Set point para sa ating set number 1. 15-24. 1 point na lamang. Now, Zamudio. And with that, the set number 1 ends it with the NCF Tigers 25-15. More actions para sa ating finals game 1. Dito lang yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff, please.
Lips life vest over your head. Take the tape around your waist.
And now we are back for our second set of the finals game 1 for our women's volleyball. NCF versus UNC sa ating set number 1 nga. Nakuha yan ng NCF Tigers, ending it 25-15. Now let's see dito sa ating second set if the NCF Tigers still consistently get a point here and snatch this second set. Now we're going to start it with Flores to serve. For reception, now free ball ibibigay dito ni Martires. Sari, first point para sa ating second set.
What a great play coming from Vanessa Sari. And to hear more about the NCF side of things, let's call our courtside reporter, Kyla. Hi, Kyla. Anong balita dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Teen. After their victorious win and securing the first ticket to the championship trophy, the NCF Lady Tigers are ready to dominate every set this final round and defend their title as Bucal champs. They focus on improving their performance since there are errors that they need to lessen. They're also mentally prepared so that they are always composed during their game. Paalala nga ni Coach Parley for this set ay ang proper positioning, maayos na depensa at pag nakakalamang na ang kalaban, huwag na nila itong hayaan na makahabol. That's all for now. Back to you, Rick and Teen.
Thank you so much, Kyla. Yun nga, focus more on the defense and lessen the error for our second set. Now, we're back on the ball game. Trio to attack. Now, one more time for Martinez, soft touch. Flores was there. Good coverage. Now, free ball ibibigay dito ng NCF Tigers. This time, trio again. At nakuha na nga ng UNC Greyhounds ang first point nila dito sa ating second set. Now, they really needed that. They want to snatch a set here against the NCF Tigers. At para makihingi naman tayo ng update on the other side, let's call on our courtside reporter, Rain. Hi, Rain. Any updates?
Thank you, Tina and Rick. From the very beginning of the match, the Greyhounds were told to huddle and talk every after point, and this way, they will be able to communicate with each other more. Be mindful, stay committed, and focus on the game. Ending the first set with a score of 15-25 in favor of the Tigers, the Lady Greyhounds fell short despite of the reminders given to them by Coach Vincent. Bago nga magsimula ang second set, the players themselves reminded each other about what to do and not do in the hard court. This time, folks, they are going at babawi sila sa susunod na set. Yan muna ang update on the side of the Greyhounds. Back to the panel.
Ayan, thank you so much, Rain, for that update. So, UNC Greyhounds, kailangan nila ditong maging aggressive when it comes to their offense and defense to secure this set number 2. But unfortunately, nakikita natin dito na abante pa rin ang NCF Lady Tigers on our scoreboard.
Now, 3-point lead coming from the NCF Tigers. Miranda. The net violation was called on the side of the NCF Tigers. So a lucky point para sa ating UNC Greyhounds. But still, they need to double their effort now. Trijo now to serve. Good chase para sa UNC. Now, Brago to try. Single block, Berjabal. Now, long rally here. One more time for Sari. This time, then they got that point. We also would like to thank our live audience dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court, supporting the NCF as well as the UNC Greyhounds. Now, Sari to serve. Balane. Sets it up to Kay. Through the block. Now the NCF Tigers enjoying that 4-point lead now.
And now, Vanessa Sari is on the service deck and ready now to serve para dito sa Tigers. What a great serve coming from Sari. Napapatawag nga ng timeout ang UNC Greyhounds because 5-point lead na dito ang kailangan nilang habulin at trabahuhin para maipantay ang set na ito. And on the other side naman, NCF Tigers, Vanessa Sari talagang ang bibigat ng serve na pinapakawalan niya. That's why nahihirapan ditong itaas at depensa ng ating Lady Greyhounds ang bolang yon. So kanina nga nakakuha siya ng service ace. I think it's her second service ace for this game. So we need to see more about Vanessa Sari dito sa ating larong ito. And of course, UNC Greyhounds, they need communication inside the court. And again, nawawala dito yung fighting spirit nila na makuha ang set na ito.
And as you can see, Rick, with that 7 serving 2, ganito din yung nangyari sa ating set number 1. Lamang ang NCF Tigers, pero humabol ang UNC Greyhounds. Will it happen again para sa ating second set? UNC needs to fight up until the end. No more easy game here. Now Sari. Another service ace coming from Vanessa Sari. Wow. From the past games of the NCF Tigers, we can really see the domination of Vanessa Sari on the service.
Yeah, yung kaninang sinabi kong medyo tahimik siya kahapon.
Yes.
Ngayon talagang nagpapakilala at gising na gising si Vanessa Sari. But unfortunately, on her last service, it was outside. Grabe. Nakita natin dito na marami nang na-produce si Sari na points for her team. Now, Martires on the other side will now serving and need to step up for their team. Big time. Now, Abitria, straight to the net attack coming from her.
Now, UNC Greyhounds still find it hard to convert a point here. Communication and consistency is what they need. Now, okay. Is about to attack. Good coverage for the NCF. Brago straight through the net. Back-to-back error coming from the NCF. It's serving 5 now. Brago. Now to Balane. Soft touch. Ball still alive here. Brago one more time. Good anticipation. Arizabal, one more time. Unnecessary back row. Too strong for that one. So point will go on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Martires. Hinahabol na lamang yung 2 puntos. And with that service is down to 1 point na lamang ang ating NCF Tigers. Napatawag na nga ng timeout si Coach Parley dahil dun sa 5 puntos na kalamangan nila. Nahabol na agad ng UNC Greyhounds after that timeout. Now, a good anticipation para sa ating Greyhounds dyan. Good adjustment din para sa kanilang mga players. Now let's see ano kayang gagawin dito ng NCF Tigers.
So same scenario sa nangyari sa ating first set kung saan maganda ang paghabol dito ng UNC Greyhounds. Let's see kung magiging consistent pa sila when it comes to their play, because dito sa larong ito, hindi pa nakukuha ng UNC Lady Greyhounds ang lead. Palaging NCF kayo ng may hawak ng kalamangan. So let's see dito sa paunti-unti nilang ginagawa kung malalagpasan ba nila ang score ng NCF Lady Tigers.
Now, Malta, let's have the chance to tie the game for our second set. No more errors for the UNC Greyhounds. Now, Brago. An error again. Lucky point for the UNC Greyhounds. We are tied on 8-all. Servidad will be back on the court para sa ating second set. Now let's see. And Servidad will contribute to the team of NCF. Now Flores sets it up. Abetria. Binabi naman agad dyan para sa NCF Tigers. Now Servidad. He's about to attack. Another deadlock for our second set. Now the UNC Greyhounds consistency and communication now. Very crucial para sa mga errors. Now, miscommunication, but still the ball is alive. Here's the ball one more time. With that, Greyhounds snatched the lead for our second set. Isang puntos lamang to, but still, big change for the momentum of the UNC. Balane now. They need to remain calm. So we're seeing a good performance from this both teams. Another error coming from the NCF. For the UNC, this is the biggest gap for them against the NCF Tigers. 2-point lead. Now,
so turnaround events para dito sa larong ito. Ito ang gusto ng mga Greyhound fans, ang makalamang kanilang kupunan. Now no room for error for their team. Balane on the deck to serve. Abitria with that spike. And that's a lucky break for their team.
now, Kay serving. Gastao Pero it was rejected by Abitria. We're juggling on 11 all. Good chase for the NCF Tigers. Now Kay again to serve. But a crucial error coming from Kay Abitria. Close match for our second set. Arizobal now. And also, an error. Another deadlock. Now Flores. Team captain. This time, service ace.
If you are on the UNC side, you don't want to get the NCF their momentum again. Now Trio with a drop ball and miscommunication between Sari and Flores. We are outside up at 13 again. So this is great for the UNC Greyhounds. They should maximize those errors na nakukommit dito ng NCF Lady Tigers.
Now Binaday. Flores sets it out to Servidad. Still inside. So the NCF kept that lead again. Now Bessie serving. Time for the Greyhounds, Rijo. That proper attack. A non-ending deadlock for our second set. 14 all. Now Luna. Balane. Flores. Bibigay kay Servidad. Another one for Balane. Oh, good chase for the NCF. One more time for Trijo.
So a better floor defense on the side of Greyhounds. We have a long rally here. And Miranda was dug up. Flores setting up. Sari, now chance for the Greyhound here to score. Balane with that soft touch and on si Servidad. Now Flores to Sari, and Sari ending that long rally with a cross-court hit.
Now what a good rally between these two teams. Ito yung gustong-gusto natin makita. UNC Greyhounds improved on their floor defense. Consistency. 15 serving, 14 now. Sari.
Too close at the net. Now chance for the NCF to score. Pero Servidad. Straight to the net attack coming from her. Another deadlock of the match.
Crucial error for the UNC Greyhounds. Again, we're halfway through our second set with unpredictable match. Balane. Betria ngayon.
Late adjustment para kay Abitria, finding that zone 5 on the UNC court now. Servidad on the deck to serve para dito sa Lady Tigers. Luna setting up Arizobal. Nice dig there coming from Sari. Luna. One more time for Arizobal. And Arizobal will get a point coming from that attack.
Now a 1-point lead of the NCF Tigers. Distajo will be back on the court. Let's see. Ano kaya yung gagawin dito ni Distajo? Martires. Miranda, quick attack.
Great dig again coming from Luna. So free ball para dito sa UNC Greyhounds. And Balane will get a score coming from that. Through the block hit. Now, we are all tied up again at 17, and now Brago ibabalik ulit dito on the side of the NCF Tigers. Now Martires on the service deck para dito sa UNC Greyhounds. And the service is coming from Martires.
Now, UNC Greyhounds needs to use this advantage to slip away against the NCF. Now Flores sets it up to Kay. Soft touch, Luna was there. It is about to try. Masari back row. Ball still alive here.
Too close at the net, and Hizky with that regalo. Let's acknowledge the floor defense of the UNC Greyhounds. Talagang ayaw nilang bitawan ang every ball at every offense na ginagawa dito ng NCF Tigers. Now Miranda on the deck to serve.
Now, a rotational violation for the NCF Tigers. Now, let's see as they're clarifying things. But
so let's wait on the decisions of our official here because they are saying that NCF Lady Tigers is having a rotation error. Ayan, Tin, magpasalamat muna tayo sa ating mga sponsors. We have the ACLC Naga Senior High School is absolutely free. Flowers and Beyond, owned and managed by Miss Mars Alienante. When you fall short of words, Flowers may say it all. Lemon Residences, Lemon Experience Home Living, Dunkin' Donuts, pasalubong ng bayan, Gold Glofa, Real Estate Development and Construction Enterprises, NCF Wings, because tigers can have wings. Thank you so much for our sponsors. So the point will be awarded on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Hawak ngayon nila ang 1-point lead.
Now Balane to serve for the UNC Greyhounds. 1-point lead ang hawak nila ngayon. Now an ace. With that, the timeout was called on the side of the NCF Tigers. Errors yung laging kalaban dito when it comes to playing volleyball. Now, a good 2-point lead of the UNC Greyhounds. Now, they need to maintain that and be consistent if they really wanted to snatch this second set. NCF Tigers, medyo nahihirapan dito dahil sa mga errors na nagagawa nila. Pero syempre, abangan din po natin ang ating second game mamaya. It's the finals game 2 of the NCF Tigers and the Bucal Wolves. Now we're back on the ball game. Mangyayari kaya yung sinabi dito ng team captain ng NCF na si Flores na hindi nila hayaan ng UNC Greyhounds na makakuha ng set or the UNC Greyhounds snatch the second set against the NCF.
Free ball para sa NCF Tigers. Now chance for the Greyhound to score. Arizobal with that attack, and Arizobal will get a score. 18-21, and the lead is on the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Now Wantang will be back on the side of the NCF. Balane, 3-point lead of UNC. Malaking kalamangan para dito sa ating second set. Almost an ace. Now Wantang, soft touch. 3-hole now. Good save from the NCF Arizobal. One more time. And it's good. Like that, napalaki na nila sa 4 ang kalamangan ngayon ng UNC Greyhounds.
UNC Greyhounds fans is loving kung ano ang nangyayari dito sa loob ng ating court because 3 points away on getting the set number 2 para sa kanilang kupunan. And with that over-receive, makakakuha si Arizobal ng regalo. 18-23 on our scoreboard.
Now a good momentum for the UNC Greyhounds. They need to maintain this. Panghawakan na nila yung 5 kalamangan nila. Now, chance for the NCF Miranda. Quick attack. Antang will try. Pero the point will still go on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. With that, set point na sila. Isang puntos na lamang to snatch the second set of this intense game of the NCF and UNC. Now, no more errors para sa UNC Greyhounds. 3-hole. Or Balane, rather, to serve. Now Arizobal. Antang one more time. Pero nakuha na nga ng UNC Greyhounds ang ating second set. Napakagandang set. 25-18. We will be back for more actions only here at Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga kampiyon.
And we are back here sa loob ng NCF Covered Court para sa ating third set of the match. At we are all tied up at 1 set apiece na kuha nga ng UNC Greyhounds. Ang second set na yon, 18-25 sa ating talaan. And to hear an update on the side of the UNC Greyhounds, let's call our courtside reporter Rain. Hi Rain, anong update dyan? Ayan, babalikan nga natin dito ang ating courtside reporter maya-maya para hatidan tayo ng mga impormasyon about their team. So, mag-shoutout muna tayo sa ating mga live viewers na nakatutok sa atin sa Oragon Sports.
Yes.
Shoutout po kay Aljon Adayo, kay Charlene Gonzalez. At yun nga, babalikan na natin ang ating courtside reporter on the side of the Lady Greyhounds. Rain, anong balita dyan?
Hello again, Sin and Rick. Gaya nga ng sabi ko kanina, nagsisimula ng mas lalong uminit ang laban. Natapos nga ang second set with the two teams throwing each other amazing attacks. And of course, their defense as well. During huddle, unti-unti nga nakukuha ng players ang strategy nila. Kumbaga, they are picking up their momentum. Reminders of Coach Vincent to continue scoring and maintain what they have been doing in their defense in the hard court. Just with strong attacks and their defense here goes with a score of 18-25. The Lady Greyhounds won their first set and I am sure that they are hungry for more victory. Kaya abangan natin yan only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga na mga kampiyon. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Rain. Ayan nga, the UNC Greyhounds, grabe, super lucky to get that second set against the NCF Tigers. Napakaganda nga ng performance na ipinakita nila during the second set. And of course, kudos din naman sa NCF Tigers for giving us a good fight. At ngayon naman, magsisimula na ang ating set number 3. Parehong pupunan, 1 set apiece na para sa ating finals game 2. Kaya titignan natin ano kaya yung gagawing adjustment dito ng ating NCF Tigers to snatch a set here against the UNC Greyhounds. At para makarinig tayo ng update all the way from the side of the NCF Tigers, let's hear it from our courtside reporter Kyla. Hi Kyla, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Tino. We are now on the third set of this match-up. Despite of losing the second set, the Lady Tigers are still eager na bumawi sa third set. And for this set, they are reminded to lessen their errors dahil during the second set, may mga errors na naitala na talaga namang nagkausa ng pagkalamang ng kanilang kalaban. Kailangan mag-focus, dagdagan ng energy at i-apply ng maayos ang game system na sinit ni Coach Porley. Nawala din ang good communication kaya kailangan itong ibalik for this set. For the last reminder of Coach Porley, laruin ang kanilang play, ibigay na ang lahat. Laro kung laro, palo kung palo, block kung block. That's all for now. Back to you, Rick and team.
Ayan, thank you so much, Kyla, for that update. So yun nga, despite of losing that set number 2, NCF Lady Tigers is ready to bounce back right now, and their first point nagmula dito kay Vanessa Sari.
Now, Luna sets it up to Trijo. And soft touch, free ball. Trijo one more time.
Balane with that soft touch, and Balane is returned to the sender. And courtesy to Vanessa Sari for not giving entrance on their side. Now, Kiska again on the deck to serve para dito sa NCF Tigers. Luna setting up Martires and giving a free ball on the side of the Tigers. Vanessa Sari was dug up and she will get a score. So 3 points already para dito kay Vanessa Sari sa ating third set. UNC Greyhounds, kailangan nila ditong ibalik ang momentum na hawak nila on that second set. Another block para dito sa NCF Tigers. This time, nagmula naman ito kay Blessia Abitria.
Now Flores. Luna to Trijo. Soft touch again. Blessia Abitria get that point. 5-0, nothing run for our third set. Kaya napatawag na nga ng timeout ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Now, after that win sa ating set number 2, ngayon naman, change of momentum again. The UNC Greyhounds struggling to get a point here, while the NCF Tigers enjoying that 5-point gap against the UNC Greyhounds. Pero baka, again, this is like the set number 1 and set number 2 kung saan lumamang nga ang NCF Tigers at babawi itong ating UNC Greyhounds. But let's see, dahil maaga-aga pa para sabihin kung sino nga ba makakakuha ng ating second set. Now, we are back on the ball game with NCF full of confidence para sa ating third set na ito. Now, the UNC Greyhounds still hungry for that point sa ating third set. Now Flores again to serve.
Two straight at the net. Now chance for the Greyhounds here to score. Great dig there. Now another chance for the Greyhounds here. Luna setting up Trijo, and again Blessia Abitria and Pearl Brago closing that doors para dito sa UNC Greyhound. Grabe. Tight net defense on the side of the Tigers. Now Luna, papapawiin dito si Martires. Ball is still alive. Free ball dito on the side of the Greyhounds. Martires. Now Hiski, back set to Brago. Andon si Luna. Nuestro to Balane. Too strong on that attack.
Now Chavez will be back on the court for the UNC Greyhounds. Sa ating third set, 7-0, nothing run. Struggling pa rin itong ating UNC Greyhounds to convert a point. Now Flores to serve.
Now Flores setting up Brago. Andun si Chavez. Now Luna to Trijo. Again. NCF Lady Tigers toweling that net. And now UNC Greyhounds. Substitution on their side to change things up. Now Kapitana Felices is now on court.
Now Flores, 8-0. Good start for them. Now Luna sets it up to Chavez. Soft touch. Sari will try with that strong attack. Good coverage. He goes on the net. One more time. This time, Felices. Sari. Top rally now. At ngayon na nakuha na nga ng UNC Greyhounds ang kanilang unang puntos sa ating set number 3. A good break. Yan. Now, Brago. Sari still inside.
Now Abitria serving. Error para dito kay Abitria.
Now the UNC Greyhounds needs to double their effort now. Martinez serving. Now Sari one more time. Pero medyo napapalakas na yung mga atake dito. That's why back-to-back point coming from the UNC Greyhounds. Now down to 6 point ang NCF Tigers. Martinez again to serve. Very crucial error para kay Martinez. And that bonus point para sa ating NCF. Double digit para sa kanila sa ating third set. Sari now to serve. Error. Lucky point para sa ating UNC Greyhounds. Now, andyan na naman yung mga error nitong dalawang koponan na ito. Chavez. Now, sets it up to Brago. Wrong attack. Now double substitution here. Servidad and Zamudio. Sari. Valdez. Kia Batria and Miranda for our third set. 11 serving 4. Zamudio now to serve.
.511 on our scoreboard. The lead is on the side of the Tigers. Now, Arizobal needs to have a good serve here. Zamudio to Servidad.
Now, the referees are discussing if it's out or in. And the point will go on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Now, naibaba na nga sa 5 kalamangan ng NCF Tigers. Arizabal here, chance to lessen the gap. Zamudio sets it up to K. This time, it's inside.
Free ball on the side of the Tigers. Zamudio to Abitria. Now Miranda on that service. Luna setting up Felices. Andon si Zamudio. Miranda setting up Servidad and giving a free ball on the side of the Greyhounds. Destajo. Bantay sarado. Zari at the pipe. Now Luna to Felices. But an error on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Net violation. So the point will go on the side of the NCF Tigers.
Now back to 8-point lead ang NCF Tigers for our third set. Trijo will be back on the court for the side of the Greyhounds. Now, Miranda. A service ace coming from the NCF. Halfway na itong ating NCF Tigers through our third set. May gagawing adjustment dito ng UNC to gain again their momentum. Now Nuestro sets it out to Trijo. Okay. Another point for the NCF Tigers. Now a double-digit gap. With that, another timeout was called by Coach Castillo. Now let's see after this timeout what will be the adjustment of the UNC Greyhounds. Medyo mahirap sila dito makapuntos sa ating third set, while the other side, the NCF Tigers enjoying that 10-point lead sa ating third set.
Ayan, Tin, mag-shoutout naman tayo sa ating mga live viewers na nakatutok sa Oragon Sports TV. Shoutout kay Elaine Grace, Reslet Leonardo, Rufa Damiar Arizobal, Al Kenneth Monzon, Evelyn Arizobal, Camille Angela Avila, VJ Pavino, Evelyn Arizobal, Bev Blago, and Joanna Nita Baayara. Thank you so much and happy watching.
Now, Gustavo, but a net violation on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. So the point will go on the side of the NCF Tigers. 6-17. Now Binaday will be joining the Greyhounds as they're fighting for our third set. Now Miranda. Service ace! Grabe na yung kalumangan ngayon ng ating NCF Tigers. Big 12-point lead coming from the NCF. Now Miranda again.
Free ball on the side of the Tigers. Blessy Abitria with that powerful hit.
Grabe yung paglamang ngayon ng NCF Tigers dito sa ating third set. Now Miranda again for the nth time serving the ball here for our third set. Luna sets it up to Trijo. Pero 4 touches. Pero now that point will go on the side of the NCF Tigers. 20 serving 6. Now 5 puntos na lamang para sa NCF Tigers to end this set. The UNC Greyhounds still struggling to convert a point here. Miranda.
Trio will try and Trio will get denied. Again, NCF towering that net. Now chance for the Greyhound here to score. Too close at the net. Ball is still alive. Now chance for the NCF Tigers here to score. Combination play. And the point will go on the side of the Tigers.
Now NCF Tigers only 3 points away on getting this third set. Grabe yung kalamangan na ginawa nila dito against the UNC Greyhounds. Now Miranda again. This time, a lucky break for the UNC Greyhounds. Now chance for the UNC Greyhounds. Parang humabol dito. Still a long way to go for our third set para dito sa ating UNC Greyhounds. No more errors para sa kanila. Another point para sa ating NCF Tigers. Bobier, this time papasok dito. The side of the UNC Greyhounds. Let's see what will be her contribution. Now, Kay Abetria serving with just 2 points on their side.
Now, Feeble on the side of the Tigers. Tight set. Pero nagawan pa ng paraan ni Zari. And now, NCF Tigers is now at set point.
Now, an error para dito kay Kia Betria. Isang putas na lamang on their side. Now let's see, will the UNC Greyhounds still extend this? Or will the NCF Tigers end it to just 1 point? Now, Servidad. Ball still alive here. Chavez to attack. Sari. Pero hindi na nga nakuha yan ng UNC Greyhounds. And that would have taken up 25-8 in favor of the NCF Tigers. Magpapatuloy pa tayo sa ating set number 4. Only here at Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga kampiyon. And we are back for our fourth set of the matchup. All the UNC and the NCF Tigers now a pick up during our third set. 25-8. Now let's see sa pagpasok na ating fourth set kung ano kaya ang mangyayari dito. At adjustment on the side of the UNC Greyhounds dahil nga hindi naging maganda yung kanilang performance during the third set. Now Triho to try. Soft touch. At para makahin naman tayo na update all the way from the side of the UNC Greyhounds, let's call on Rain. Hi Rain, update natin dyan.
Thank you, Tina and Rick. With the third set starting, these players struggled to score, but despite this, they are still eager to win each point back. During timeout, Coach Vincent reminded them to not let the opponent have a wide gap in the score, for it is just making things hard for them to win the set. Things to improve, of course, is their attacks, and most importantly, their defense. Looks like the Greyhounds have to find a gap wherein they will be able to adjust and be back in their A-game. Bago magsimula, they were told to commit and focus on improving their current performance. This is the fourth set at handa na ulit ang Lady Greyhounds. Now, let us all witness kung paano nga bababawiin ng Lady Greyhounds ang larong ito. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
And thank you so much for that update, Rain. So UNC Greyhounds, kailangan nila dito ang kapitan ang larong ito to get this fourth set and to have an extended fifth set here sa ating laro. But on that last sequence, another block para dito sa NCF Tigers, courtesy of Miranda and Brago. Now, to hear an update on the side of the NCF side of things, let's call our courtside reporter, Kyla. Hi, Kyla, take it away.
Thank you, Rick and Tino. We are now on the fourth set of this match-up. Patuloy nga ang pagbawi nila dahil nasungkit nila ang third set at naging malaki ang kanilang naging kalamangan. The Lady Tigers are reminded to stay focused, avoid pressuring themselves, and of course, just do and apply the game system that Coach Porley has set. Kahit na may mga errors, bumawi sila at nasungkit pa rin ang third set sa score na 25-8. Coach Porley reminds them during the huddle to be consistent all the time. Ibigay na lahat para makuha ang championship trophy for Bucal Season 5. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Ayan, thank you so much, Kyla, for that update. So isang set na lang nga at makukuha na ng NCF Tigers ang panalong ito and they will defend their championship here sa ating liga. Pero let's see dito sa ating fourth set kung ano ang gagawin ng UNC Greyhounds para mapahaba pa ang larong ito. And on the side of the NCF Tigers, consistency and domination ang kailangan gawin to really get their victory here sa ating Bucal Season 5.
And as you can see, sa start ng ating shot number 4, the NCF Tigers still dominating this with 5-0, run. So let's see. Ano kayang gagawin dito ng UNC Greyhounds? Flores now to serve. Now, balls to the live, Sari. Now sets it up. Chavez, soft touch. Nuestra was there. Now Flores. Miscommunication. So a lucky break para sa UNC Greyhounds as they get their first point for our set number 4. Now, another point for the side of the NCF Tigers. 6 serving 1. Now Miranda. Another point para sa ating NCF Tigers. Now, Yan nga natin muli nakikita yung determination dito sa UNC Greyhounds sa dalawang sunod na set as they are still struggling here to convert a point. Now Miranda sets it out. Chavez with coverage now on the back para kay Rizabal. But another point was converted for the side of the UNC Greyhounds. But this is their chance to take this advantage para kunin na yung momentum para sa ating fourth set. Now Chavez.
Another great defense. Now chance for the Tigers, but no. UNC Greyhounds getting that score.
Now Chavez again. 4 points na lamang hinahabol nila dito. Flores to Brago. Good coverage. Now free ball dito ibibigay. Flores again to Abetria. That would be a point.
Now, Vanessa Sari on the deck to serve para dito sa NCF Tigers. 8-3 on our scoreboard. Nice serve and nice regalo para dito kay Kisha Vitria.
Now Sari back to 6-point lead. Balane to try. Flores sets it up to Brago. Lusot sa mga blockers ng UNC. Now Trijo will be back on the court for the UNC Greyhounds. Point will go on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. There's that violation on the net. Now, Martires. 10 serving 4. But the service ace. Now Martires again. Pero hindi na nga yan. Naituswa ng NCF. Hanggang tayo pabana sa atang makalamangan dito ng NCF Tigers. UNC have the chance to take this advantage on their side. Martires again. Serve at Zamudio. Will be back on the court para dito sa ating fourth set ng Zamudio. Malane converted the point after that attack.
Now Balane on the deck to serve para dito sa UNC Greyhounds. 7 serving 11. Zamudio sa ating Servidad, at Servidad will get a point coming from that off-the-clock hit.
Blessy. Na bigay kay Destajo. Soft touch. They got that point. Now Arizabal. Very crucial error para sa UNC. Service ace. Calling from the NCF Tigers. With that, tawag nga ng timeout ang ating UNC Greyhounds. 14 serving 8. 6-point lead again para sa ating NCF Tigers. And the Greyhounds still struggling here. Pero step by step lang para sa kanila dito. They need to adjust on the floor defense dahil sa malakas na atake ng NCF Tigers and of course sa kanilang mga depensa. And we would like to thank our live audience dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court. Konti na lang, pupuno muli ang ating court para sa ating second game. That's the NCF versus the BU Wolves. Now we are back on the ball game para dito sa ating set number 4. Isa na lamang para sa ating NCF Tigers to be named as the champion of the Bucal Season 5. But the UNC Greyhounds still have the chance here to change the momentum. But let's see as Kay Abetria to serve.
Free ball para dito sa NCF Tigers. Zamudio, Baxeto, Miranda. And a miscommunication the Greyhounds side. So a substitution on the Lady Greyhounds. Papasok ngayon si Felices.
Service error coming from the NCF Tigers. Destajo. Very crucial error para sa ating UNC Greyhounds. 16 serving 9. Now Flores and Brago. Babalik muli dito.
Now this is very crucial on the side of the UNC Greyhounds because the NCF Lady Tigers is slowly pulling away para dito sa ating fourth set. 16-9 on our scoreboard and now Flores on the deck to serve. Over receive, pero ball is still alive. Abitria with that receive. Now Sari will get a score coming from that tip.
Now Flores again.
Free ball will be given on the side of the Tigers. Tight set coming from Flores and a great conversion point coming from Brago. Wow, what a connection para dito sa Tigers.
Now, NCF Tigers still on the lead, but a service error was committed by Flores. Serving that 3-point lead. Pero para sa NCF Tigers, there's still a chance for them to snatch this game number 2 and go home as the champions of the Bucal Season 5. But let's see as Luna. And that serve. Nabibigay dito kay Brago. Strong attack.
What an attack coming from Pearl Brago. Making an impact inside this NCF Covered Court. Now Miranda on the deck to serve. What a great take coming from Trijo. Chance ball para sa Tigers. One more time for Sari. But it was outside. So a lucky break on the side of the UNC Greyhounds.
Now Nueva will be back on court. 19 serving 11. 8-point lead of the NCF Tigers. Now Trijo. No more room for errors para sa UNC Greyhounds. Now Flores sets it up to Brago again. Strong attack. Pero hindi na nga nakuha yan ng UNC. And with that point, 5 points away ang NCF Tigers. Now let's see. Ano kayang gagawin dito ng UNC Greyhounds to extend the game. Now Sari. A service ace.
Now Sari again on the deck to serve para dito sa NCF Tigers. This time, Martin get a point in the middle.
Now Martinez serving 21-12. Piho, ibibigay dito kay Erzabal. Free ball ibibigay ng UNC. Flores sets it up to Brago. Pero outside. 8-point lead on the NCF Tigers.
This time, Isha Mitria breaking down the wall. 22-13 on our scoreboard. And NCF Lady Tigers 3 points away on getting this game and defending their championships here in Bucal Season 5. Now Pearl on the deck to serve. Arizubal with that powerful attack. So the UNC Greyhounds keep ng Sunod-sunod na couple points here para makadikit dito sa NCF Tigers. They need perfection inside the court para maitabla ang larong ito. Now Flores to Kisha Abitria. And again, Kisha Abitria talagang sinisira ang blockings ng ating UNC Greyhounds.
Now 2 points away ang ating NCF Tigers. Now Blessy. Sets it up, balik to kay Gastajo. Soft touch. Again, K, one more time. Arizabal to try. This time, point will go on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Still an 8-point lead. Going to go for the Greyhounds. No, Arizabal. 23 serving 15. Good save by the UNC. Now Trijo. Flores sets it up to K again. Good coverage. Pero hindi nakakakuha yan. And with that, match point for the NCF Tigers. Isang puntos na lang and they will be declared as the champion of Bucal Season 5. Will K. Abitria end this match with that 1 point. Let's see. And that's it. A services get to the championship para dito sa ating NCF Tigers. And they are still the queen of Bucal Season 5 as they get the 4th championship para sa Naga College Foundation. Still, congratulations to our first runner-up, the UNC Greyhounds, for giving us a good fight. And after this one, we will meet our best player of the game over here at the Volleyball Sports TV. Liga ng mga kampiyon.
Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff, please.
Slip life vest over your head. Take the tape around your waist.
the game, and the finals MVP is jersey number 5 with 28 points, 20 attacks, 2 blocks, and 6 service aces. Our finals MVP, Miss Vanessa Sari. Hello Vanessa, grabe. Any thoughts for this win dahil forfeit kayo? Finals MVP ka pa, anong nararamdaman mo ngayon?
No words can express my feelings po right now kasi di ko naman po in-expect to. Hindi ko rin makukuha yung finals MVP dahil because of my teammates din po. And syempre sa help nila, nakuha ko yung finals MVP and na-score ko po yung score na yan. Yun lang po.
Grabe yung pinagdaanan nyo din dahil marami kayong leagues. Ano ba, can you describe with us one word to describe this journey for Bucal Season 5?
Yung one word lang po na ma-describe ko yung Bucal is sacrifice po talaga kasi lahat lahat naman po ng games namin, sinasacrifice po talaga namin yung binibigay namin yung best namin, and yun lang po.
At dahil ikaw ang ating best player of the game, batin mo na ang mga gustong batin, and of course, pasalamatan mo na ang lahat ng inyong taga-suporta.
Binabati ko pala yung family ko sa Tamban, and yung mother ko po andyan, and always nakasupport sa akin, and yung mga pinsan ko, kuya ko, and the PEDs, teachers po, and always na nagsusupport sa mga athletes, and Sir Erickson. Pinapasalamatan ko po si Coach, syempre yung teammates ko, and then yung si Press Mario po, and sa dalawang kaibigan, si Pippen, si Kili, and si Nero po yung best libero ng boys, and yung si Jay Francis. Syempre si Jay, hindi ko makalimutan yung kabarangay ko. Ayun lang po.
Thank you so much and congratulations. There you have it, jersey number 5 of the NCF Lady Tigers, Sheena Vanessa Sari. This has been your courtside reporter, Kayla Casuyo. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Chi.
That's our best player of the game para dito sa ating finals. It's Vanessa Sari, none other than with 28 points, with 20 attacks, 2 blocks, and 6 service aces. Again, congratulations to NCF Tigers for getting their 4-time championship dito sa ating Bucal Season 5. And of course, congratulations din sa ating UNC Greyhounds para sa magandang laban na ipinakita nila ngayong hapon na ito.
Talagang pinakitaan tayo ng dalawang kupon nito. A great volleyball gameplay dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court. And then kudos to our defending champion and defend ang championship, the NCF Lady Tigers, together with the UNC Greyhounds, landing on the first runner-up. Pero grabe ang pinakitang dedication inside the court na dapat nating abangan sa mga susunod pang season dito sa Bucal nito. And right after this, an awarding ceremony para dito sa mga best player and mga player na nag-stand out dito sa Bucal Season 5. And of course, after the awarding ceremony, the game 2 between the BU Wolves and the NCF Tigers, only here at Oraton Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Again, my name is Rick Puerta.
And I am Christina Caceres. Abangan niyo po ang ating awarding ceremony and the finals game po para sa ating men's volleyball. Dito lang yan sa 1 PWD 48.